Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the vulnerable group. Vulnerable group are the group which would be vulnerable under any circumstances. For example, where adults are unable to provide an adequate livelihood for the household for reasons of disability, illness, age or some other characteristics, and group whose resource endowment is inadequate to provide sufficient income for any available resources. In India, there are multiple socio-economic disadvantages that members of particular group experience, which limits their access to health and healthcare. The task to identify the vulnerable group is not easy one. Besides, there are multiple and complex factors of vulnerability with different layers, and more often that one cannot be analyzed in isolation. Vulnerable group facing discrimination are women, scheduled caste, Dalits and scheduled tribe. Scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, due to the caste system prevailing in India, so they are denied the right to education and thus were left languished behind socially and economically. Such people have categorized into scheduled caste. Tribal community who never mixed with the main society are similarly challenged and are categorized into scheduled tribe. Such group of people come under the category of socially vulnerable group. Another vulnerable group consists of people living in remote areas and the area prone to disaster. In those areas, they do not have access to various infrastructural facility and benefit of government program. Such people comes under the category of economic vulnerable group. Structural norms such as caste-based norms in Indian context are attached to the different relationship between the subordinate and the dominant group in every society. The group status may, for example, be determined on the basis of gender, ethnic origin, skin color, etc. The norms act as structural barrier giving rise to various forms of inequality. Access to health and healthcare for the subordinate group introduced due to the structural barrier. Women. In India, member of gender, caste, class and ethnic identity experience structural discrimination that impact their health and access to healthcare. Women face double discrimination being member of specific caste, class or ethnic group apart from experiencing gendered vulnerabilities. Women have low status as compared to men in Indian society. They have little control on the resource and on important decisions related to their life. In India, early marriage and childbearing affect women's health adversely. So, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, elderly, and disabled people who are unable to contribute to the family's income, women are considered as the poorest of the poor. Dalits are also faces the discrimination in Indian society. Physical segregation of their settlement is common in the village, forcing them to live in most unhygienic and inhabitable condition. All these factors affect their health status, access to healthcare, and equality of health services received. There are high rate of malnutrition reported among the marginalized people. Thank you.